Okay, Shabab. Now we are going towards the elements of the process control. Elements
Teacher,
of, yes.
teacher, can you give me example for our live teacher for open loop system?
Sorry, which example you want?
In our life, for our home, in our home, in our car, anything.
For the closed loop or open loop?
Open loop, open.
Open loop, there are a lot of examples. For example, the people put the door switch. So somebody come to their
Yeah,
some guest come to their home. He ring the bell and they open the door from inside. You guys have seen it.
yes, teacher.
So no,
Yes,
normally it
yes,
is
yes.
open loop. So they push the switch, but they don't know the door is open or not, right?
Yeah,
So how we can make it closed loop?
like close up, teacher.
Yeah, how we can make it closed loop?
But the sensor when the
Open.
body, when anybody come, the door open is already.
You can put the sensor or you can put a camera there at the door, so you can see the door is getting
Yes,
open or
camera.
not.
Yeah, camera and the sensor.
Yeah, give me another example for the open loop.
Overlook. The the switch of my car, teacher.
Sorry?
The switch of my car when I come my car, I put the button when the switch is in my car, teacher. The keys,
Which loop?
the remote control.
You can give the best example of open loop control. For example, you are seeing the level of the gas in your car, right?
Yeah.
Are you controlling it?
Yeah. I go to the station.
So you are not controlling it. So it is just display, right? So nobody is controlling it, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like this, lot of examples are there.
Okay.
So let's see the elements of the process control. How many elements are there, Shabab? How many elements are there?
Three.
Elements of
Six,
the
teacher.
process control. How many are
Six,
there?
teacher.
Six.
Six. Very good.
Six.
Very good. Six elements are there. Which one is the first? Control variable.
Variable.
Control variable. What is control variable, Shabab? For
We want.
example, in our classroom, we are controlling the temperature, right?
Yes.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Yes,
So
PP.
temperature is the controlled variable. So what we are controlling? We are controlling temperature. So temperature is the controlled variable. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, yes.
We are.
Okay, that's good. So what is set point? Number two, set point. What is set point, Shabab?
The temperature you want.
For
The
example,
value
the temperature we want, desired value. What is the set point when you drive your car for the speed? What is the set point? 120 kilometer per hour, right? When we drive on the road, the set point is 120 kilometer per hour. What is set point in the room for the temperature? 25 degrees centigrade. Right, Shabab? What is the temperature? Set point for the temperature, Shabab, in the room? Shabab? What is the set point for the temperature in the room?
25 Celsius.
25 degrees centigrade. Very
25,
good.
25 Celsius.
Yes. So next thing is the measured variable. What we measure? Yes, Shiva, when we are controlling the temperature in the room, what we are measuring?
Temperature.
Temperature. Very good. When we control the speed of the car, what we are measuring?
The speed.
And what we are controlling? When we push the accelerator, what we control?
The gas.
Gas.
The
Very
gas.
good.
benzene.
Very good. One brother answer gas. So when we push the accelerator, we control the benzene, gas, right? And we measure the speed. So it is not necessary. Shabab, it is not necessary all the time that the measured variable and controlled variable, they are equal. It is not necessary. Sometimes they can be different. Shabab with me?
Yes, yes.
What is the difference, teacher, between them?
There is again the control, for example, in the car, what we are controlling? We are controlling benzene, right? So the controlled variable is benzene. What we are measuring in the car, what we measure? We measure the speed of the car, right? So what does it mean? The measured variable is the speed and the controlled variable is flow of benzene. Right, Shabab? There is another example here. If you see here, in the control of liquid level tank, so the liquid level tank can be made by measuring the pressure at the bottom of the tank. So the measured variable is what? Pressure. Right, Shabab? If the pressure is more, level is more. If the pressure is less, level is less. Remember Shabab instrumentation measurement 1?
Yes.
So if the pressure is less, level is less. If the pressure is more, level is more. Like this. So the bottom line, normally the controlled variable and the made variable, they are same, but not necessary. Number 4, Shabab, error. What is the error? Error is what, Shabab? Error is PV minus SP or SP minus PV. What is error, Shabab?
SP minus PV.
Error is SP minus PV if it is reverse action, right, Shabab? Or PV minus SP if it is direct action. Now, what is reverse action? What is direct action? That we will discuss soon in detail. So, error is equal to SP minus PV if it is reverse action, PV minus SP if it is direct action. So, what is reverse? What is direct? Then, inshallah, we will discuss soon in chapter 3 in detail. But right now, you should know the error is the difference of PV and SP, like this.
Teacher, can I say difference between theory value
Sorry?
and practical value?
Set point minus
The
PV,
difference
process
between-
variable and set point. That is what the error. Okay, Shabab, any question up to here? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? Okay, that's good. That's good, mashallah. That's good. Okay, Shabab, disturbance. What is disturbance? What is disturbance, Shabab? Disturbance is any internal or external influence to the process which affects the controlled variable is called a disturbance. Yes, Shabab, any example of a disturbance, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any example for the disturbance? Shabab with me? Disturbance. Now let me explain what is this. Some brothers are asking temperature of the sun. Yes, very good. Temperature of the sun is disturbance. How we explain it? How we explain the temperature of the sun is a disturbance, Shabab? Now, for example, this is our heat exchanger. This is our heat exchanger. So it is controlling a set point is 50 degrees centigrade, and we need to bring the set point 50 degrees centigrade. So if we put it in Jubail, what is the right now temperature in Jubail, for example? Yashiba, what is the temperature in Jubail? 42 degrees centigrade, for example. 40 in Jubail, it is 42. So this heat exchanger is sitting outside, and it needs to bring from 42 degrees centigrade 50 degrees centigrade, right? Same heat exchanger you take to Abaha. So what is the temperature in Abaha? Yes, Abaha. 13 degrees centigrade. One brother told 13 degrees centigrade. So this same heat exchanger, if we put it in Abaha, it will bring 13 to 50. So where he has to work more? Where it will be working more? In Jubail or Abaha?
Abaha.
Abaha. So this heat exchanger will be happy in Jubail or Abaha?
Jubail, teacher.
Jubail. Because in Jubail there is no work for him. It is just doing 8 degrees centigrade, bringing up. So in Jubail it is very happy. In Abaha it has to bring from 13 to 50, like 47, like 37 degrees centigrade more. So in Abaha there is a big disturbance. So it will not be happy. In Jubail it is very easy for it to do the set point, to bring the set point. So this is one type of the you can say disturbance from the outside. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No,
Yes,
teacher.
Shabab, any question up to here? Please ask. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. Brothers are replying, that's good. The next, the sixth element is manipulated variable or calculated variable. It is what? It is the output of the controller. So manipulated is a technical word for the calculations. So it is the output of the controller. So what the controller receive? Controller receive process variable, controller receive set point, and depending upon the error and the mathematical instructions, it gave us output. The output will go to the funnel control element, and the funnel control element will control the PV. Right, Shabab? So this thing is known as manipulated variable, calculated variable. That is the output of the controller. Any question up to here, Shabab? So how many are the elements of the process control?
6, teacher.
6 elements, Shabab. Right? Number 1, control variable. Number 2, set point. Number 3, measured variable. Number 4, error. And number 5, disturbance. Number 6, manipulated variable. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please.
Teacher, this is the valve of the report.
Sorry?
Is that the 4 type of valve?
Still
you
we
asked
did not
it.
start the type of valves. I am asking you have any question, whatever we discussed before?
No.
No?
Teacher,
Okay.
I have a small question, teacher.
Yeah, please. Please ask.
What's the differences between set point and measured variable?
Sorry. Can you please tell me again, please?
What's the differences between set point and measured variable?
Disturbance and
Measured variable.
measured variable, you are measuring with the sensor. Something you are measuring with the sensor.
Yes.
You got my point?
Again, teacher.
The measured variable, something you measure with the sensor, that is PV. PV, process variable, measured variable. Disturbance, something, it is just coming by nature, like the sun. The temperature from the sun, that is disturbance. We are not measuring it, but it affects us. You got my point?
Yes, I get.
Measured variable, that's the thing we are measuring to control something. Disturbance, it is coming without, we don't want it. The sun, we don't want, but it is affecting. We give the example of the heat exchanger, you know. Still the example is there. See here,
Yes,
the example is still there.
Yes,
If it
See
error,
the example is still there. Sorry? The example is still there, Shabab. So we need this heat exchanger need to work at 50 degrees centigrade. Its set point is 50 degrees centigrade, right? In Jubail, right now temperature is 42. So this is already have a big, you can say, a small hard work. And in Abaha, it will need to work more. So here you can say this is the, like in Jubail, the disturbance is helping. In Abaha, it is not helping. It has to work more hard. Is there another way of disturbance, Shabab? Is there any other ways of disturbance? Yes, Shabab.
wind,
yeah, again.
wind,
There are any type of disturbance. For example, we are sitting in a air conditioned room. The room is very cold, but that disturbance, the heat, the coldness is going through the walls outside, or heat is coming from outside inside. So it is also one type of disturbance through the wall. The heat exchanger exchanging through the wall of the room. This is also one type of disturbance. So we will discuss inshallah in detail. We have a lot of example for that. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Thank you, teacher. Everything is clear.
You are welcome, inshallah. So now